Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB3364, in color code 002/58. It's a black color frame. The style of this frame is fashion wrap. On the temples here, we have a silver Ray-Ban writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of these lenses are polarized crystal green. And at the top right lens, we have a Ray-Ban writing in white and a P for polarized in white. And a sticker that says that this lens is polarized. This frame also comes with a Ray-Ban gift box and a black case. Inside the case here, we have a Ray-Ban manufacturer booklet and a Ray-Ban gray cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.